Good morning everyone and welcome back. So today is day 3, now heading to Blue Ocean Adventures on the Nepali coast. Is that what it's called? Nepali coast. So that's where we're going right now, and we shall be there in about an hour, I think.
35 minutes.
45 minutes
35.
to an hour, and once we get there we're gonna get onto a boat. From the boat we're then going to go out to the coastline for some snorkeling. They're gonna give us some lunch, and then after lunch we're gonna come back here for reservations at Duke's, which is a local restaurant right downtown here. So that's the day schedule for you, and we shall keep everyone updated on the journey. Just finished our Blue Ocean Adventures tour this morning. We went to about five different caves on the Nepali Trail, so it's basically just a chain of mountains. It's beautiful, lots of scenic routes there. We took it's like a little Zodiac boat. There was about, I want to say 10 people on our little boat, and the tour guide was really awesome between JC and Kamale. Shout out to you guys, it was an awesome tour. It's a lot of fun. Then they brought us to a little picnic spot where we had some lunch, delicious food there. As you could see in the video right now. I think we're about to head back to the hotel to shower and then stop at the coffee company on our way there. So we just stopped at the Kauai Coffee Company. Joe's on the ground. Step 4, types of coffee grown on the farm. Yellow, Katui, red, Katui, Mundo Novo, Typica, and Blue Mountain. Never ever put coffee in the fridge or freezer or you'll ruin it. Store it in the pantry. It's locked. Don't do it, folks. This is the machine that they use to harvest the coffee. All the little beans are caught up in all these spindles, which will then smack the beans right off and collect down there. It's a huge machine. Look at the size of this sucker. Alright, so now we're approaching what looks like some kind of sorting tower, I'm assuming. I don't know, I haven't read the plaque yet, but here it is right here. It is the sorting tower. These look like some greenhouses. Did you guys know this? It says the longer you roast coffee, the less caffeine it has. So dark roasts have more body and medium roasts have more caffeine. Pretty neat. Now I'm guessing this is where they lay out all of the beans inside. That's where they dry them out. It's a rake in there. Look at all those coffee beans. Obviously this is just for demonstration over here. I don't think they actually use these. Can we try anything? This is dark roast. Espresso. Alright, we're gonna try chocolate macadamia. just arrived back to the hotel. We're gonna go get some shave ice now and then shower up for dinner time. All right guys, we are now heading out to dinner. We're going to a place called Duke's, and we shall see what kind of food they offer. So let's get going. Tiki torches lighting that.
I was gonna do a quick Snapchat. We're taking a photo.
What's going on, everyone? It is day 4. We are here at the Waimea Canyon State Park. We're about to head right up the hill to go explore. So let's go. Let's get to it. All right, we're hiking right up to the top here. As you can see, it's quite steep. All right, guys, now we're gonna go on a little hike.
If you want to go ahead, you can.
That's it. That hill's right there.
Nothing? I didn't feel like.
Yeah, 'cause there's.
All right, we're about to start the canyon trail. We're just waiting for Mom to go back to the car and drop off her purse.
What?
You can see Dad's there with
What's
his hiking
going on?
stick, and Brian's there.
Hey, what's up, man?
Matthew's there.
Hey.
2.
All right, guys, we're about a third of a mile in. Lots of downhill. It's very, very steep. So we're just taking our time going down this.
So you got to watch your knee too, Steve. Really? So you can break my knee on your way down?
We're about a little over a mile in, and it's extremely muddy here. Lots of mud, as you can see, and we don't have any other shoes, so poor Gary V's are gonna get all dirty. What's going on, Mom?
I'm tired.
What are you so tired for?
I'm only not maybe like that much into the hike.
Yeah, because she's out of shape, that's why. Look at her.
I know. I haven't done any aerobics in a couple weeks. It's not good.
Yeah, see?
Whew.
All right, let's keep going. When you come to a fork in the road, which way shall you go? Shall we go left or should we go right? Well, if you go right, you'll end up way over there. And if you go left, you have no idea where you end up, so let's go right.
No, I want the picture on that one.
Alright guys, we made it. Check this out. That cliff is literally like straight down. Whew. Right down into the drink. And there's no guardrail, nothing. It's just all the way down. It's pretty scary stuff, but it's really cool. Oh boy, I gotta go up this mudslide now.